Good morning children. Today let us do a new chapter. Chapter 4, Order of Operations. What are the four main operations in maths? What are the four main operations in maths? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These are the four main operations in maths. These are the four main operations in maths. Okay children, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division are the four main operations in maths. These four main operations should be done in an order to solve an mathematical expression. These four main operations should be done in an order to solve an mathematical expression. So what is a mathematical expression? Mathematical expression. So what is a mathematical expression? A mathematical expression contains numbers followed with different operations. A mathematical expression contains numbers with different operations. Okay children? A mathematical expression contains numbers with different operations. For example, 145 plus 421 minus 123 into 12 is an mathematical expression. Mathematical expression contains numbers with different operations. Here we are having three different operations here. Addition, subtraction and multiplication. So this is an mathematical expression. It contains numbers with different mathematical operations. To solve this mathematical operation, we have to follow a rule. Okay children, to solve the mathematical operation, we should follow certain rule. So that rule is known as BODMAS rule. Okay children, to solve the mathematical operation, we have to follow certain rule, and the rule is known as BODMAS rule. Okay children. The rule is known to solve the mathematical operation. We have to follow the rule which is known as BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule specifies the order in which the mathematical expression should be solved. BODMAS rule specifies the order in which the mathematical expression should be solved. Okay, children? And BODMAS rule is also known as simplification rule. BODMAS rule is also known as simplification rule. BODMAS rule is also known as simplification rule. Okay children, BODMAS rule is also known as simplification rule. So in BODMAS, okay children, you can remember BODMAS as B's of BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule. B's of Disney make awesome sugar. B's of Disney make awesome sugar. You can remember BODMAS as B's of Disney make awesome sugar. Okay children, to solve the mathematical expression in an order, we should follow BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule is also known as simplification rule. You can remember BODMAS as B's of Disney make awesome sugar. Okay children, B's of Disney make awesome sugar. Okay. In BODMAS, B is called bracket. In BODMAS, B is called bracket. There are three kinds of brackets: circular brackets, curly brackets and square brackets. So in BODMAS, B means bracket. there are three types of brackets: circular bracket, curl bracket, and square bracket. And O means off. O means off. Okay, children. In BORDMAS, B means bracket. O means in BORDMAS, B means bracket. There are three kinds of brackets: circular, curl, and square. O means off. Multiplication. Off means multiplication. Off means multiplication. And D means division. D means division. And M means multiplication. M means multiplication. M means multiplication. A means addition. A means addition. And S means subtraction. Subtraction. S means subtraction. In BORDMAS rule, B means brackets. There are three kinds of brackets: circular, curl, and square. And O means off, means multiplication. And D means division. And M means multiplication. A means addition. S means subtraction. Okay, children? Okay, children. For solving a mathematical expression using the BORDMAS rule, you should remember some rules. Always you have to solve the mathematical expression from left to right. You always have to solve the mathematical expression from left to right. While solving the mathematical expression using BORDMAS rule, you have to follow some rules. You always have to solve the mathematical expression from left to right. Okay, children? And the second rule is, you have to first simplify the numbers in the innermost brackets. You have to simplify the numbers. You have to simplify the numbers within the brackets. Within the brackets, starting from innermost bracket. So you have to start from the innermost bracket. First you have to solve the numbers in the bracket, starting from the innermost bracket. And the next one is, you have to do division, multiplication and division. Multiplication and division should be done before. Multiplication and division should be done before. Addition and subtraction. Multiplication and division should be done before addition and subtraction. Okay. After solving the numbers in the bracket, you have to do multiplication and division before doing the addition and subtraction. Okay. And the last one is addition. Addition comes before subtraction. Addition comes before subtraction. Okay, children? So what are the rules? First, you have to solve the mathematical expression from left to right. You have to start the simplification from the numbers within the bracket, starting from the innermost bracket. After that, you have to do multiplication and division before addition and subtraction. Addition comes before subtraction. So first you have to do the addition and then only you have to do the subtraction. Here, after solving the numbers in brackets, what you have to do is, you have to do the division, multiplication, then only you have to do the addition and subtraction. Before doing subtraction, first you have to do the addition. Okay children, these are the rules to solve the mathematical expression using the BODMAS rule. Okay children, now let us do the practice zone 1. Now let us do the practice zone 1 in textbook. Okay children, using the BODMAS rule. First one, practice zone 1. Practice zone 1. First question. What is the first question? Solve the following. Solve the following. A question. 12 minus 5 plus 7. According to the BODMAS rule, here they are given only two operations, subtraction and addition. So according to the BODMAS rule, first we have to do the addition and then only we have to do the subtraction. So first let us rearrange the numbers. That means I am arranging the numbers of additions first. So 12 plus 7 minus 5. According to the BODMAS rule, first you have to do addition, then only you have to do the subtraction. Here they are given only two operations. So first I am doing the addition. For that I have rearranged the numbers. So since this number is having addition symbol, I have written it first and then I have arranged the subtraction symbol number after it. Okay children. Now 12 plus 7 is how much? 12 plus 7 is 19. And after doing the addition, you have to do the subtraction. 19 minus 5 is how much? 19 minus 5 is 40. Okay children, did you understand? That is the way of solving the sum. Now let us do the B sum. Let us do the B sum. 1 plus 6 minus 5 plus 3. Here also only two operations are given, addition and subtraction. According to the BODMAS rule, first you have to do addition and then only you have to do the subtraction. Further, I am rearranging the numbers which are having addition symbol first. So 1 plus 6 plus 3. After arranging the numbers with addition symbol, I am arranging the number with subtraction symbol which is minus 5. First I will add all these numbers and then I will do the subtraction. 6 plus 1 is 7 and 7 plus 3 is 10. After adding, I do the subtraction. 10 minus 5 is 5. Did you understand children? According to the BODMAS rule, first you have to add and then only you have to do the subtraction. For it, I have rearranged the numbers. I have arranged the numbers which are having addition symbol. I have added the numbers and then I have done the subtraction. This is way of doing the sum. Okay children, I have done AB sums. You do the C sum for homework. That's all for today's class. Okay, bye.